It's January 11th, about 10:30. Isn't it called street toward elderly abuse by county employees? Good job, county management, board directors, county council, Jeff Smith, Miguel Marquez, and also the city of San Jose, health department, mental department, behavior, and also the special educations, and also mementos, Superior Court, Valley Medical Center management, striker, investigators, workers' comp, retaliation unit, Department of Fire unit, DA's office, whistleblower, it's nothing but fraud. Community policing, harassment, community surveillance. When all my charges were dropped. This is harassment. This is taking advantage of my father. Loud noise causes health issues. 415. This is going to the state. It's me, Maria A. Marufo Duran. This is insane. That's hurting my father's ears. Health issues. I've been stuck all night. It's another video Oval sent. I'm gonna send it out. Like it is. To the Department of Justice. To the governor. I'm tired of this harassment since 2009. Shame on everyone who's going along with it. What are you getting out of it? I guess they feel good hurting me. Sexual assault, intimidation is penal code 243.3. Regardless, you're not touching me. Intimidation falls under sexual assault. It's like rape. I get raped every day for 6 years. Look it up. 243.3. Let's go into IPA.